Yes, welcome back. Today's topic we are going to learn is digestion of different components. Digestion of different components of food. The different components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So let us see how carbohydrates are converted into other forms in digestive system. As you know the digestive system in that we are achieving the carbohydrates in the mouth, that is example, for example rice, wheat, maize, jowar are considered as the carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are present in rice, wheat, maize, jowar, etc. Take the example of rice. The rice is chewed in the mouth and they are converted into maltose by Talin enzyme. Talin enzyme converts rice into maltose. This maltose is converted into glucose in the small intestine. This is in the small intestine. This is the final carbohydrate digestion, that is carbohydrate is converted to maltose by Talin enzyme in the mouth. Talin enzyme is present in the salivary juice or salivary enzymes. Talin converts rice into maltose. After achieving the food, rice is converted into maltose. So maltose is again converted into glucose in small intestine. This is the carbohydrate digested product. So today you learned that carbohydrates are converted finally in the intestine to glucose. Similarly, wheat, maize, jowar, whatever you eat carbohydrates, they are converted into glucose. Secondly, proteins. Proteins are present in pulses, egg, milk, meat, egg, fish. So these proteins are converted into, first of all, peptones. You know that proteins digestion occurs step by step manner. Proteins are digested into peptones and peptones are converted into polypeptides. It happens in the stomach. This digestion occurs in the stomach. So proteins are present in the pulses. We can write pulses or we can also write here proteins are first of all converted into peptones. Peptones are converted into polypeptides. The final product of proteins are amino acid. Amino acid that is formed in the small intestine. You learn two things today. Carbohydrates are completely digested into glucose form. Next, proteins are converted into peptones, then peptones to polypeptides in the stomach, and from there in the small intestine it is converted into amino acids. Come to the third component of the food. The third component of the food is fats. Fats are present in oils, ghee, chicken, milk. So these are converted into fatty acids. Fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol. So these fatty acids and glycerol are formed in the small intestine. Small intestine. Fatty acids. Now repeat with me. The different components of food in the digestive system are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, as we are taking in the food materials. So carbohydrates are converted into, for example, rice is converted to maltose by Talin enzyme. From the mouth it goes to esophagus and stomach. There is no digestion in the stomach for the carbohydrates. The final digested product, that is glucose, is formed in small intestine. All these products are formed in the small intestine. That is glucose, amino acids, fatties. So carbohydrate is converted into what? Glucose. Come to the proteins. Proteins are present in the pulses, egg, meat, etc. So Pulses contains proteins. Proteins are converted into peptones by trypsin enzyme. You learned trypsin already in the previous video. Trypsin and pepsin and lipase. These are enzymes. Trypsin, pepsin and lipase. These are from the stomach. In the stomach, proteins are converted into peptones and polypeptides. These are the enzymes, trypsin, pepsin, lipase. Now, fats are converted into fatty acids and glycerol. These are sent to small intestine. Moreover, we are also having enzymes from pancreas. The pancreatic enzymes are also same name, trypsin, pepsin, lipase. We have to say pancreatic trypsin, pancreatic pepsin, pancreatic lipase. So today you learned that how carbohydrate is digested, how proteins are digested, into which form, and how fats are digested, and what is the final product of digestion. These three things are absorbed in the small intestine. All these three things, glucose, amino acids and fatty acids, are absorbed in the small intestine. And the waste things, the undigested things, passes to large intestine and comes outside through the anal part. So small intestine contains villus. This villus part absorbs the digested product. Digested things for what? Glucose, amino acids and fatty acids. This occurs in small intestine. That's all. In this way the digestion is completed in human body. Thanks for watching the video, and